Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to increase an amount, a quantity, by a certain percentage. Let's see the examples and I'll show you how we actually do it. Increasing $45 by 10%. So we're going to increase, $45 is going to go up in value by how much? By 10%. How do we do it? What we do is we add 100% to the 10%. Then we multiply it by 45. Let's see how it's done. $45 times 100% plus 10%. So the rule is when we're increasing a number by a percentage, we add 100 to the percentage. We add 100 to the percentage. 100% plus the 10% becomes 110%. So 45 times 110%. Grab your calculator and do it. Put in 45 times 110%. You're going to get $49.50. Has the amount increased? Yes, it has. It was 45. We increased it by 10%. So the rule is we add 100% to the 10%, becomes 110%. 45 times 110%, we get $49.50. So this way, we increased 45 by our 10%. The next example says, increase 700 kilograms by 15%. So we're increasing one more time. What do we add to the percent? We add 100%. So 700 kilograms times the 100% we're going to add it to the 15%. That's the rule. 700 times 100% plus 15%. So to increase, we add 100. $115%. Grab your calculator and let's do it together. 700 times 115%. And our answer is going to be 805 kilograms. So 700 kilograms increased by 15% becomes 805 kilograms. The rule is we have to always ensure we are adding 100% to the percent we're increasing by. 115% times 700, 805 kilograms. The example we have says, my mum said that if my next maths test result is over 90%, she will increase my weekly pocket money by 25%. So if I have a maths result better than 90%, she said she's going to increase my pocket money by 25%. I am currently getting $30 per week. What will my new weekly pocket money be if I get over 90%? So this is a good deal. Mama said, if you get over 90% in your next maths test result, I'm going to increase your $30 by 25%. Let's work out and see what he'll earn if he gets over 90% in his next maths test. $30 is going to be increased by 25%. And we said to increase, we add 100%. Plus our increase, which is 25%. 30 times, and this becomes 125%. Let's work it out. 30 times 125%. The new wage, the new pocket money will be $37.50. $37.50. So if he gets above 90%, his wage is going to increase by 25%, and his wage was 30. If he gets over 90% of his test, his wage is going to become $37.50. This is a perfect example of how we can increase an amount by a percent. We'll do one more example. Throughout life, you're going to notice that this concept is going to be used. Let's see an example, a worded problem where this is actually used. The question says that Nasma has $7,000 worth of gold. The price of gold this year has increased by 5%. How much is her gold worth after the increase? So she has $7,000 worth of gold, and this year it increased, the value of gold increased by 5%. What is the value of her gold now? Let's work it out. $7,000 is increasing by 5%. So we are going to times it by 100% plus the 5%. Remember, the rule is we always add 100 when we're increasing. 7,000 times 105%. Multiply it. We'll do it together. 7,000 times 105%. Her gold is now worth $7,350. So that 5% increase made her $7,000 worth of gold become $7,350 worth of gold. So that 5% is that 350 extra that she has with her gold. So her 7,000 times 105%, it increased by 5%, becomes $7,350.